Panda sees the others play, but hides behind a tree. Tummy feels all funny, what could this feeling be? Kitten waves and calls out, "Hey, come play with me." Panda whispers very soft, "But what if they don't like me?" It's okay to feel shy, it's okay to feel small. Take one tiny step, you don't have to run, just crawl. Say hello, wave your hand, give a little smile. Friends were strangers too, just for a little while. Panda took a tiny step, then another one. Owl said, "There you go," and Teddy said, "Well done." Now they're playing all together, laughing in the sun. Panda learned that being brave can also be so fun. Wave hello, wave hello.